June 12th, 2022. I took a little detour on the way to the Kane County Fairgrounds. I'm in Savanna, Illinois. I've never been here before, except by way of a 1940s home movie. Unfortunately, it's taking me longer than I thought it would. So we're gonna have to do a Chevy chase at the Grand Canyon. Wow. It's kind of raining. Hey, that is kind of impressive. I would have never thought anything impressive was in Illinois. Let's look back the other way again. I think that's the Burlington Railroad there. In the 1940s home movie, there was a truss bridge. The truss bridge has been replaced by that arched thing. Alright, that's all the time we have.